SaleHoo Ecommerce Accelerator. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with your online business using the SaleHoo Ecommerce Accelerator. So let's get into it. Now, what is the SaleHoo Ecommerce Accelerator and what does this actually entail for you? Well, using the SaleHoo Ecommerce Accelerator, you can get access to the SaleHoo Market Research Labs, SaleHoo Dropship, and SaleHoo Directory, where you can use these amazing tools to get in touch with verified suppliers, find vetted products, and build your own online store in simple steps. So let's get into it. Now, they also give you other resources such as $100 worth of Google Ads credit, also 7-figure Facebook ad strategies. So these features will also enable you to boost your business. Now, first off, you have your SaleHoo Market Research Labs. Now, what is this exactly? This is a simple platform where they will show you different products with high profit margins, low competition, and easy sourcing. So if we go into the Market Labs Researcher, this is what it's going to look like. And you can see over here, you have your research labs. Now, on the top left, you have the product types. You can select from any kind of product types and find a suitable product. If you have an idea of what kind of niche you want to enter, you can easily enter into that niche simply by selecting that product type. Then you also have a sell rate. So what is the average percentage of this product being sold? The more volume a product is selling, the more profitable it can be. And then you can also choose the average price of the specific product. And this is going to help you in making sure that you are not going over budget. Let's say you want to start your online business, but you only want to get started with, $5,000. Then you don't want to invest in products that are going to cost you hundreds and thousands of dollars. Maybe you want to start off with smaller products, and this can help you filter those out. And then you can also save your specific custom filters and set the competition. So let's say we are looking for specifically low competition products, and you can find low competition products. You will see each product will be marked with the competition level. Now, what this enables you to do is that instead of having to do market research on 50 different tools, you can simply do it on the e-commerce platform provided by SaleHoo. So these labs enable you to find amazing products in any niche that you want to target. Let's say I want to target the beauty niche, and I will just select the product type of beauty, and I want to be in the average price of around $30. I don't want to start my business with a lot of money. Let's say I don't have a lot of money. I want to start with a small product. And now you can see over here, I have the average product price at around $20, and you will see the different products that are available for me to get started with. Now, once I have a product of my choice, I can actually go on ahead and let's say I want to get started with these makeup brushes. So I would just click on the makeup brushes, and this will enable me to see the suppliers, the similar listings, the type of supplier it is, the region that they are shipping from, and the minimum order amount. So how much would I have to order on a minimum to get this product from the supplier to me? And instead of having to contact suppliers to get all this information, you can easily get it with the SaleHoo Labs. And this used to take up a large portion of my time while I was trying to set up my own business, and now this has simplified it immensely. Plus, you have the average sale price as well as the sell rate on Amazon and the two Amazon competitors. So what are Amazon competitors? If you just open this up, it will actually lead you to the Amazon listing for a similar product or almost this product. So you can actually take a look at the competitor and what kind of sales that they are getting to get a better idea of how much you're going to be able to sell of a product. Now, after you have chosen a product, what else do you do? Okay, you have your first step. Then you have your second step, which is drop shipping. Now, before you get into drop shipping, I would recommend you go into your SaleHoo Ecommerce Accelerator and go into Educate. Now, what Educate actually is that Educate enables you to get started with your own drop shipping store or e-commerce store, whatever you might want to call it. They also have a Amazon product launch, so how you're supposed to launch your product on Amazon, all the tips, tricks, and how to make sure that you have optimized your listing to be on Amazon. So you simply click on Go to Course, and then you will see it is a step-by-step course. It has introductions, it has specific phases of your business, how you're going to get started with with each phase, how you're supposed to plan for your pre-launch, what are you supposed to do on launch date, how you are going to scale and grow your business. So you took one product, but how do you expand on that? How do you expand your business from one product to 5 to 10, so on and so forth? And then you have the aftermath. So how you're supposed to analyze your advert results, how your product is performing after some time, because you want a business that is going to remain profitable over a long term period. And you don't want to be reliant on the initial marketing that you are doing. You want a product with steady growth and a good number of sales, even without excessive advertisement for that product. Now, this course will help you in educating yourself, getting started, and you can view this over and over again to make sure that you are following all these steps to make sure that your product is as successful as possible. Now, after you have used the research labs to find your product, you have gone through the educate section, what else can the e-commerce accelerator do for you? Well, not only do they help you find different amazing products, but you can actually go into the SaleHoo Dropship to find verified suppliers for your product. You don't have to go onto any third-party dropshipping suppliers. You can simply go into SaleHoo Dropshipping and you can find any product of your choice. You can simply connect your store, your Shopify store, to add or import your product into your Shopify store, and you can select any kind of products from here. So on the left side of your screen, you actually have this filter, and let's say we want to ship to the United States, and I wanted to ship from China because I want lower costs in terms of product costs. If you ship from the United States, you might be able to get lower shipping costs. So that is up to you depending on what the delivery time you want to commit to your customers. Let's say I want a delivery time of around 15 to 16 days. I don't want it to be longer than 16 days or maybe even lower than that. So 13 days is pretty good. And then I will select the category. So let's say that for my business, I want it to be apparel for women. So I will select this category. You can select multiple different categories. Let's say I want to focus on jewelry, accessories, beauty, and other items of that sort. And then for the pricing, I don't want it to be too expensive, everything under $100, and the orders. So depending on the scale of the business that you are starting, you might be able to find a lower price for the same item from a AliExpress supplier that does not have that many sales. However, I would recommend that you make sure that even if they don't have a lot of sales, the sales that they do have are vetted sales, and people have actually, said that they are a genuine supplier, because you don't want to end up, sending or dropshipping products that are not the same as they were advertised in the advertisement. So make sure that they have around 500 orders, pre-existing orders, just to be on the safe side. Now, after that, you will see the relevance. They will be sorted for you, and you can see all of the different products that are available for you to get started with using the SaleHoo Dropship. So you can simply choose any of the products that you like and add it to your import list. You can add multiple different products to your import list, and then later on view your import list. So you can simply click on your import list on the top over here, and once you go onto your import list, you can add a customized title, you can add customized product categorization, collection, you can optimize the SEO of your product listing for your own Shopify store as well. And once you have done that, you also have the SaleHoo directory. So once you have gotten started with dropshipping, you might want to expand your business into warehousing your own products as well, or finding your own products that you might want to hold by yourself. So for that, you can use the SaleHoo directory and you can look for any kind of products. Let's say we are going to look for t-shirts, and you can simply search for t-shirts over here. Then you can see the different products that are available and the specific suppliers that are providing that product. So let's say I want to focus on the products, and I can go on ahead and find different products from different wholesalers to get them on the best price possible, and I can host those products by myself. If you want to start your own business that is not a dropshipping business, this is also going to be a fantastic tool for you. So you can filter out what kind of supplier you want, if you want a dropshipper, a wholesaler, or a liquidator or manufacturer. So this will enable you to even customize customize your products. You can get in touch with the manufacturer to find specific product or get a specific design in a certain way just to improve your e-commerce business. So in general, the SaleHoo Ecommerce Accelerator is a all-in-one for someone that is looking to build their business and get started with all the tools that they need and all of the basic information and courses that they might need to get started with their own business. So make sure to check the SaleHoo Ecommerce Accelerator out. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.